Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Figma design systems from Atlassian, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in Atlassian Figma design systems and press enter. Look for the official Atlassian website link in the search results. Click on the link to access the Atlassian page. Once the page loads, navigate to the section dedicated to design systems. Here, you will find various Figma design system resources offered by Atlassian. Identify the specific design system you wish to download. Click on the design system name to view more details. On the design system page, look for a download button or a link. Click the download button to initiate the download process. Your browser may prompt you to choose a download location. Select a folder on your computer where you'd like to save the file. Once you choose a location, click Save to begin the download. Wait for the download to complete. Once it's finished, navigate to the folder where you saved the file. You should see a Figma file or a zip file containing the design resources. If it's a zip file, right-click on it and select Extract to access the contents. Now, open Figma on your device. Log into your Figma account or create a new account if you don't have one. Once logged in, go to the File menu in the top left corner. Select the option Import from the drop-down menu. Find the Figma file you just downloaded and select it. Click Open to import the design system into your Figma workspace. After the file loads, you can start using the design system components in your projects. Explore the different elements and styles included in the design system. Make sure to follow any further instructions provided within the design system documentation. You're now ready to use the Atlassian Figma design system in your designs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.